You could build a snazzy website like this one in only 5 minutes using Chat GPT 5 and Cursor AI. Let me show you how. So step one, make sure you have Cursor downloaded. It is an IDE. An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. This is where developers program things at. Okay, now that you have Cursor open, step two is to give context to the website you want to build. You want to have a reference website. You will make an incredible website if you can find a good website that you like already and give that prompt to Chat GPT inside of Cursor. So right here on the side, I am telling it to make a website similar to LeBron James's website because I think his website is pretty dope. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to give it a little bit more context. I'm going to slide over to my portfolio site that I already had previously built just to give it more context about what I want to be displayed on the website. I'm also going to give it my LinkedIn profile as well to take some of the content from my LinkedIn profile and integrate it into this website. And then lastly, I'm going to give the images to Cursor as well from a photo bank that I already have. I have a little bit of an unfair advantage being a front-end web developer and a photographer, so I already kind of have these elements. In your scenario, you would need to create these objects yourself. You could probably use AI, or if you already have this existing content, then go ahead and use that. And so an important step that I don't want to glaze over is that the images have to be in the same folder as the file that you're building your website inside of. So when you're in Cursor, you're going to need to drop those photos into the same folder as your index.html folder so that it knows where to grab the images from. And so once you've done that, and once you've given it all the context in general, we can go ahead and hit go, and then you should have a pretty snazzy website. One last thing that I noticed is that it didn't include my animations in a horizontal scroll like LeBron James's website. So what you need to do is you need to head over to gsap.com, GSAP.com, and copy that website URL into Cursor and tell it to use the horizontal scroll animation from GSAP in order to pull off that look. And then that should get you more of those animations and scroll trigger effects of LeBron James's. And this is how you build a pretty neat website. If this tutorial helped you out, let me know. Tell me what you think in the comments.